Hello students, welcome to Tumgal online classes. Today in this class we are going to start the remaining problems based on consumer price index number. Here the problem number 38, compute cost of living index number. Compute cost of living index number. They are given group price in the price in base year, price in current year, and weight. Here they are given group food, clothing, fuel, entertainment, medicine, and others. First, we have to write down the values 38 group. The next price in base year is denoted by P naught. Price in current year is P1, weight is W. Here groups are A, B, C, D, E and F. Here P0 value is 130, 50, 19, 30, 40 and 50. P1 values 170, 60, 110, 50, 70 and 90. W 65, 20, 20, 15, 10 and 15. Here we have to find the cost of living index number. They are not mentioned aggregate and family budget method. Here the formula is mainly depends upon the availability of data. Here they are given weight means we have to use family budget method. Suppose if they are given weights, then you have to use family budget method. Here CPI by family budget method is CPI equal to sum of WP by sum of W. First, what is the P? Here P is the price relative and W is the weight. First, we have to find P value. P equal to P1 by P naught into 100. P equal to P1 by P naught into 100. Here P1 value is 170 and P naught is 130 into 100. 170 divided by 130 into 100 is 130.76. The next 60 by 50 into 100 is 120. Next 110 divided by 90 into 100 is 122.22. The next 50 divided by 30 into 100 166.66. 70 divided by 40 into 100 175. 90 divided by 50 into 100 180. Here you have to multiply W into P. That is this into this. That is 65 into 130.76 is 849.94. 849.94. Next 20 into 120, 240. Next 20 into 122.22 is 2444.4. Next 15 into 166.66 is 2499.9. The next 10 into 175 is 1750. The next 15 into 180 is 2700. The next we want sum of WP 849.94 plus 240 plus 2444.4 plus 2499.9 plus 1750 plus 2700 is 1048 4.24. Here sum of W is 65 plus 20 85, 85 plus 20 105, 109, 105 plus 15 120, 120, 130, 130, 145. Once again 65 plus 40 plus 25 plus 15 is 145. Sum of W is 145. Then substitute value is sum of W is 1048.4 divided by sum of W is 155. Then we get 1048.4 divided by 145 is 72.30. 72.30. It is CPI is 72.30. Here the price level has decreased by 27.69. Okay, the base is 1100. 100 minus 72.30 is 27.69. Okay, that is about the 38th problem. Okay, the next problem number 39. An inquiry into the budgets of the middle class families in certain city in India gave the following information. They are given items, percentage expenditure, price in 1995 and price in 1996. What is the cost of living index number? What is the cost of living index number of 1996 as compared with that of 1995 using family budget method? 39. Here they are given item, percentage expenditure, price in 1995 and price in 1996. What is the cost of living index number of 1996 as compared with that of base 1995 using family budget method? You have to apply family budget method. Here percentage expenditure is nothing but weight. First you have to write down item, percentage expenditure is nothing but what? W. It is nothing but W. Percentage expenditure is nothing but W. Here price in 1995 is P0 base year, to 1996 is current year, that is P1. Here items are A, B, C, D, E. With respect to rates 35, 10, 20, 15 and 20. P0 values 115, 25, 75, 30 and 40. P1 values 145, 23, 65, 30 and 45. Here CPI by family budget method is CPI equal to sum of WP by sum of W. Here P is a price relative. You have to find P value, that is P equal to what? P1 by P0 into 100. P1 by P0 into 100. Here P1 value is 145 and P0 value is 150. 145 divided by 150 into 100 is 96.66. The next 23 divided by 25 into 100 is 92. Next, 65 divided by 75 into 100 is 86.66. The next, 30 divided by 30 into 100 is 100. 45 divided by 40 into 100 is 112.5. Here. The next, we have to multiply W into P. First W value is what? 35. 35 into 96.66. 35 into 96.66 is 3383.1. Next, 10 into 92, 920. The next, 20 into 86.66 is 1733.2. The next, 15 into 100 is 1500. The next, 20 into 112.5 is 2250. We want sum of double P. 2250 plus 1500 plus 1733.2 plus 920 plus 3383.1 is 9786.8. Okay, here we have to substitute the values. Sum of double P is 9786.3 divided by sum of W is 35 plus 10, 45, 45, 55, 65, 65, 75, 80, 80 plus 20 is 100. Sum of W is 100. Then we get 97.86. Here CPI equal to what? 97.86. Here they are asking what is the cost of living index number of 1996 as compared with the base 1995. Here the price level has decreased by price level has decreased by 2.14% as compared with base year. As compared with the base year. Here 100 here below 100 is below 100 means we have take 100 minus 97.86, then we get 2.14. That is price level has decreased by 2.14% as compared to the base year. That is about 39th problem. Okay, the next problem number 40. Construct consumer price index number by family budget method. Here they are given expenses, 2003 expenses, price and 2005 prices. See here, 2003 is a base year and 2005 is a current year. Here they are asking construct consumer price index number by family budget method. Okay, here they are given 2003 and 2005. What is the formula? Sum of WP by sum of W. Here 2003 price is P naught and 2005 is P naught. Then what is the expenses? It is P naught or W. Yes. Here it is a P naught or W. Here expenses is you have to take P naught also. Otherwise you have to take weight also. Suppose if you took expenses nothing but Q naught, then you have to apply CPI equal to sum of WP by sum of P1 Q naught by sum of P naught Q naught into 100. Otherwise, okay, here the aggregate expenditure method is same as family budget method. Okay, otherwise you have to apply CPI equal to sum of WP by sum of W. It's your choice. Okay, here I am taking, it is expressed is Q naught. Here first I write items 2003. Okay, 2003, that is Q naught, and 2003 price P naught. Okay, the next 2005 price P1. First I write the items A, B, C, D and E. Here Q naught value is 16, 40, 10, 64 and 10. P naught value is 5, 8, 10, 8, 2. P1 value is 6, 10, 12, 10 and 3. Here W is nothing but P naught into Q naught. Here W is nothing but what? P naught into Q naught. Okay, and then CPI by family budget method is here W equal to what? P naught into Q naught. This into this. And next you have to find, otherwise CPI by family budget method is CPI equal to sum of WP by sum of W. Here sum of WP by sum of W. Here W is nothing but what? P naught into P naught. This into this. 60 into 5, 300. 40 into 8, 320. 10 into 10, 100. 64 into 8, 512. 10 into 2, 20. The sum of P naught is 300 plus 320 plus 100 plus 512 plus 20 is 1252. Okay, next we want P value. P equal to P1 by P naught into 100. That is 6 by 5 into 100 is 120. 10 by 8 into 100 is 125. 12 by 10 into 100 is 120. 10 by 8, 125. 3 by 2, 150. Here we have to multiply W into P, this into this. 300 into 12, 12 is 36, that is 36,000, that is 36,000. Next, 320 into 125 is 40,000. 120 into 100, 12,000, 12,000. 125 into 512 is 64,000. 150 into 20 is 3,000. And sum of WP is 3,000 plus 64,000 plus 12,000 plus 40,000 plus 36,000 is 1,55,000. 1,55,000. Substitute the values. Sum of WP is 1,55,000 divided by 1,252 is 123.80. 123.80. It is a CPI. 830. Here expenses 2003. Here they are given 2003 expenses. That is a Q naught value. Okay, it is about 40th. Next, problem number 41. Given sum of P1 Q naught is 350 and P naught Q naught is 325. Construct a suitable price index number. Construct a suitable price index number. Here they are given sum of P1 Q naught is 350 and P naught Q naught is 325. Construct a suitable consumer price index number. That is 41. We have to CPI equal to sum of P1 Q naught by sum of P naught Q naught into 100. That is sum of 350 divided by 325 into 100. 350 divided by 325 into 100 is 107.69. 107.69. It is our aggregated expenditure method. Okay. The next problem number 42. Problem number 42. Calculate cost of living index number from the following data. Here they are given item group index with respect to weights. Here first let us write down the item. Here group index is denoted by I or P. Group index is denoted by I or P. And taking I and weight is W. It's your choice. You have to take I or P, anyone. Okay. Okay, items A, B, C, D, E. And group index 110, 120, 112, 108, 105. W 3, 8, 4, 6, 9. That is CPI equal to CPI by. Here we are going to make things to apply family budget method. CPI by family budget method is CPI equal to sum of WI by sum of W. Here we have to multiply W into I. Here 110 into 3 is 330. 120 into 8 is 960. 112 into 4 is 448. 108 into 6 is 648. 105 into 9 is 945. Here sum of WI is 945 plus 648 plus 448 plus 960 plus 330 is double 331. And sum of W is 3 plus 8, 11, 15, 21 and 30. So hospital value is 3331 divided by 30 is 111.03. Here CPI equal to 111.03. Here group index is nothing but I. Otherwise we have to use we have to take P only, that is sum of WP by sum of W. Okay. The next problem number 43. Calculate cost of living index number. They are given items, percentage expenses and index number. Okay. Write on the given data, that is 43 solution. Items, first write on the item. Percentage expenses is nothing but weight and index number is nothing but index number is nothing but see here group index or index number is nothing but I. Here items A, B, C, D, E. See here percentage expenses is nothing but W, means here W are given, means here weights are given means that you use family budget method, that is 40 25, 15, 5, 15, 120, 90, 100, 105 and 95. Here CPI by family budget method is CPI equal to sum of WI by sum of W. Here you have to multiply W into I, then substitute the values, then you get the consumer price index number or cost of living index number. That's got it. Here percentage expenses. Okay, here percentage expenses is nothing but always it is a weights and index number is always WI or PI. The next problem number 144. Problem number 44. The group indices and corresponding weights for the working class in an industrial town for the years 2005 and 2010 with the base 2000 are given below. Here, first you have to write on the group. Group weight is denoted by W. Group index with the base 2000. Here 2000 is a base year and 2005, 2010 are the two current year. Here 2000 is a base year, 2005 and 2010 are the two current years. Here they are given group index. Here the group index is denoted by I or P. Okay, I am taking I, that is it is I1 or P1 or P2 or I1, I2. Here I1, I2. Write down the values for group A, B, C, D, E with respect to weights 71, 3, 9, 7 and 10. Okay, group index is denoted by I, that is they are given two current years, that is I1 and I2, 370, 420, 470, 110 and 280. The next I2 values 380, 500, 340, 120, 280. Here you have to find CPI by CPI. First you have to find CPI. Here they are given weights, you can put weights, they are given weights. You have to apply family budget method. CPI for the year, for the CPI for 2005 with the base 2000 is that is CPI equal to sum of WI1 by sum of W. 2005 is the first current year, that is I1, that is CPI equal to sum of WI1 by sum of W. Here you have to multiply W into I1, this into this. 71 into 370 is 71 into 370 is 26270. The next 3 into 420 is 1260. The next 9 into 470 is 4230. 110 into 7 is 770. 280 into 10 is 2800. 2800. Here you have to add all these values. 26270 plus 1260 plus 4230 plus 770 plus 2800. Then we get 353 and sum of 8 is 74, 74 plus 74 plus 9 is 83, 83, 90, 90 is 100. Here substitute values. Here 35330 divided by 100 is 353.30. It is CPI for current year 2005 with the base 2000 is. So next, we have to find second current year CPI for 2010 with base 2000. With the base 2000. CPI for 2010 with the base 2000. That is CPI equal to sum of W into I2. 2010 is what? I2. Group index 2010 is denoted by I2 divided by sum of W. Here you have to multiply W into I2. Here W is what? 71 and I2 value is 380. Here 71 into 380 is 26980. Next 3 into 500, 1500. The next 9 into 340, then we get 3060. The next 7 into 120, 840. 10 into 282, 2820. Then substitute all the values. 26980 plus 1500 plus 3060 plus 840 plus 2820 is 35200. Substitute values. Sum of I2 is 35200 divided by sum of W is 100. Then we get 350. It is CPI for 2010 with the base 2000. Just got it? Here they are asking the group indices and the corresponding weights for the working class in an industrial town for the years 2005 and 2010 with the base 2000. Here base is 2000 are given below. Here they are asking calculate CPI for 2005 with the base 2000 and calculate CPI for 2010 with the base 2000. That is the solution. Here group index is a W. Otherwise you have to take P only. That is P1 and P2. Here formula is sum of W1 by sum of W or sum of W2 by sum of W. Okay. The next problem. A family budget inquiry revealed that the average expenditure of the families on food, clothing, house rent, fuel and miscellaneous are 30%, 10%, 20%, 20% and 20% respectively. If the respective group indices are 130, 170, 160, 200 and 180. Find the consumer price index number. Find the consumer price index number. Here the problem is based on family budget method. CPI consumer price index number by family budget method. Because here they are given weights, that is group weights. Here a family budget inquiry revealed that the average expenditure of the families on food. Here they are in percentages, means these are the weights. First we have to write down the items. 45 items. Here A, B, C, D and E. Here next we have to write down the weights. 30 percentage expenditure. Percentages, that is weights. 30, 10, 20, 20 and 20. If the respective group indices, both are same, that is I. Okay, group index singular and plural. Okay, group indices are 130. Okay, group indices are denoted by I, 130, 170, 160, 200 and 180. Here you have to apply CPI by family budget. Family budget method. That is CPI equal to sum of WI by sum of W. Here you have to multiply sum of WI. Here sum of W is 100. Percentage is 100. Here you have to multiply this into this, then substitute the values. Then we will get the answer. Okay, it is a 45, 40. Okay, the remaining problems we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.